Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MRNA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I offer an explanation video at that link. Been tracking this chart on a very routine basis. Did this analysis past several days and want to keep things updated as it's presenting some very tradable opportunities, and that's what it's all about. So let's point out some key levels now moving forward that really stand out to me. And this is not some sort of like great discovery on my part. So I'm not trying to come across like this is some sort of fantastic discovery. Nobody else sees it. No, I assure you a lot of people have taken notice of these levels, which is a good thing because when lots of people are watching the same levels and wondering the same thing, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want. It can definitely produce some very dynamic movements. So let's see where these levels are at. And the first key level that I think a lot of people will be watching going into tomorrow is right there around 66.50. This is an interesting data point because price got all crazy, then it made a nice big bounce upwards, and then it pulled back. And after there, it was a valid question of, is this bounce over? But no, it wasn't over. Found support, and then worked its way up from that area. So my point here is this: there's no such thing as a guarantee, but if the price comes down to that area and then breaks down through there, it's a more than valid, it's a more than rational thought to have that could create quite a bit of downside selling pressure. So again, first key level of support that I'll be watching, like I said, along with I think a lot of other traders, right there around 66.50. And then as far as areas of resistance are concerned, in the event the price does try to bounce back to the upside, key level to watch from the resistance and breakout area is going to be right up there around 67.75. Nothing fancy or complicated there. And again, when things are not fancy, that means lots of people are watching them. So right up there, you can see that's just where this bounce ultimately ran out of steam and pulled back. And had the price up there around several occasions, can never quite push through it. But that's going to be the level that a lot of breakout players are going to be curious about. So as far as just applying the KISS method here, keep it simple, stupid. Those are going to be the two main technical levels to watch moving forward. So let's see how this one plays out on Wednesday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.